Hi fam, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you see this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. I hope you are happy. I hope you are really happy off social media. I hope life is not pressuring you. I hope you don't listen to what people are saying that affects your mental health. I hope this September, as it ends, you try to end it with whatever that makes you unhappy. I am genuinely rooting for you to win. You need to win. You have to win. I know the pressure is too much, but we have to win. So live, love, work, live, love, be happy. So this cake was made for a baby's 1 year birthday party, Diamond. It was a very simple birthday cake. So they came and picked up on Saturday, only for me to get a message late in the night that while they were going home with it, it got spoiled. Oh God, I was so I was so tired. I wanted to just sleep the next day, go to church, come back, sleep. But clients, we have to make them happy. I had to leave, go and fix the cake. In fact, we had to change the design completely because I thought it was just a very simple birthday they were having. Guys, it was a huge birthday party. And then we cleaned up the cake, made something more sophisticated for the baby. Oh, the mom was so happy. So happy when she saw the new design. And yeah, we were all happy. Thank you for being here. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my page, Lobash Confectionery. Bye!